Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one I want to show you the finished floor. I'm going to place down all the blanks to make the floor. It's real wood, I will show you right now, and then I will glue all the pieces together so it will be an entire solid piece, like if it was a plywood sheet. Let me show you. This is the wood. It's a natural oak on top of poplar. It's like plywood but with a veneer on top. It's actually a 3mm oak on top. It's brushed and with no paint, just oil. So you may think I'm crazy to put real wood inside a van, because I know when it's raining, when it's wet, in the winter, if there is snow, I know you will bring water inside. But if you put just a rack in the front door, so when you get in, you take off your shoes and then you walk barefoot, I think it's good. I mean, I'm used to leave my shoes in the entrance of my apartment, so it's not a big deal for me. And also, because it's real wood, if over time it will be, scratched, or there are stains of anything, it's really easy to sand it down a little bit and get a coat of oil again on top and make it new. Something that you cannot do with a vinyl floor or PVC floor. They are more robust for sure, but if you scratch them anyway. So I'm okay with dealing in future with the problem that real wood may bring, but I love the feeling of walking barefoot on real wood, especially because there is also the eating floor underneath. So yeah, that's why I'm going with real wood. So basically I'm going to glue them together, all the joints, so at the end it will be a strong floor, like it was an entire piece of plywood. So enough rambling, let's do something. Okay, so let's see, how can I start? So I just found out that those points, yes, are on the same plane as this part here and this part here, but also on the same plane of those in the back, those points. So that means even this part here. That's really great, because then I know I have a reference from the back to the front, and probably the same will be over there. I just took a measurement here from those points to see if I'm square. I'm going to cut the tongue on this side and line up the floor with the insulation. So I think I'm good to go. Now I just want to place down a few more. All this part, it's underneath the kitchen, and then this part is underneath the bench. So I'm not actually seeing any of this. I think I'm going with this one. Okay, so I just measured, and if I start with this one, I will end up on the step with 10mm piece, which I think it's okay. I should start from there, but starting from the step, it's a little bit trickier to make it straight. Let's start from here and make it simple. I I don't want to bother you with all the footage. Let's just move on faster, for you at least. Before moving on, I had to glue down some wood on the step here. Just did with some Sikaflex underneath and foam between the insulation and the wood. I prepped another one here for the partition wall. I'm gonna glue down this one as well, and also I will make one, actually this one for the back. After this I can move on with the floor. Let's move on. Well, it's late, it's almost dark, but finally the flooring is finished. Let me show you. So here there will be aluminum or stainless steel, maybe angle. It's beautiful. Finally, I mean, look at that. I can see something, you know, some progress. It's been a while that I've been working on this van, on the exterior, designing, you know, just on the computer, collecting pieces, working on the roof. Now seeing the floor finish, it's a joy. And on the sliding door, I will use this piece that I left there to make this part. So will be the same wood. Actually, that part is the cut from the last board here, that is smaller. So that one will be placed right here to hide the metal here. And for the corner, I will put aluminum corner. And I saw one video where they put a brush, a long brush here to cover even this part, and that's awesome. Looks great. So I think I will do that as well, but for today it's enough. All the pieces are glued together, but it's not fixed down, so I can lift it if I need to. See, I can still move it around because there is some space, you know, it's not tight. So if I need to adjust a little bit the angle, I can. And yeah, that's it for this video, and for today it's everything. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.